Good morning, all. A quick one. I want us to all look at this and to understand what have really transpired here because there have been many emphasis on what could have been the cause of the failure on this building. Now, looking at it critically and very clear, it is obvious that the problem of this building is not an issue of wrong or poor material used for construction. No, it is not an issue of bad soil bearing capacity. No, but this is clearly an issue of wrong construction practice. It is an issue of lack of knowledge of geotechnical problems. The people who built this house has no idea of geotechnical practices. The house, looking at it clearly, it was built on a hilly place, and over years the layers of soil that would have been scarified during construction were not considered. Now, over years, as it rains, rain washed away the layer of top natural soil, leaving the surrounding of the foundation exposed to lateral pressure. There is a great line load problem here, both vibration and resonance. Now, all these things put together has caused all this reaction on this building. There is in issue of structural dynamism. There are so many reactions that come with building, of which, if you're not ethical about geotechnical problems and real construction ethics, you will not get that idea. So, what this means that when this construction was done, there is a tendency that the block work that may have been built below the ground level is not up to 2 blocks, at most 1.5. Now, on that ground, the embedment of this foundation is very poor. It's very poor. And they did not consider the surface of the lateral natural soil that would have led them to go deeper, at least having about 750 mm lower than what the foundation could have been. Rather, they choose to lay the foundation just on the exposed natural soil, which has now washed away. Even the surrounding of the building, showing the slab that was used, is also affected because of lack of anything that could support it externally. Now, looking at this other building, which I've reviewed here, is a building I did many years ago. Everything was considered. I exposed and clarified the natural soil, which was about 600 mm thickness, as I checked it. Now, it has, after I exposed it, I took my reference from the top lateral soil to do my excavation. Now, it is very clear when you're doing a building or you're doing a construction, first consider the effect of what happens in the future. And you will see a red mark. Where you see this red mark here, the arrow red mark signifies the runoff water that happens in this compound. All the surface natural soil or neutral soil have been washed away, left with the exposed laterite, which is here. So you can see the difference in practice. That's why I come to clarity, so that we can understand the dynamics in structures. Thank you.